Most complaints employees make aren't legally protected, and employers know it. That is why retaliation works. But what if your complaint was so strong the law protected you? That is exactly what legal armor gives you. Here's the truth. Every single day you wait, you lose protection, and your employer gains more power over you. The employment laws don't give you unlimited time. They have strict rules about when and how you have to complain in order to be protected. And if you miss that window, if you write it wrong, you could lose everything the law was supposed to guarantee you. That means your employer could fire you and walk away untouched. You could lose the leverage you need to hold them accountable. You could miss the one shot you have to protect your career and your future. And listen, I get it. Speaking up at work is terrifying. You're already under stress. You're already being mistreated. The last thing you want to do is make things worse by putting something in writing. But here's the thing. Nobody ever taught you how to do this the right way, and you shouldn't have to figure it out alone. That's why I built Legal Armor. Now, imagine the opposite. Instead of feeling exposed, you know the law's on your side. Instead of worrying what your boss will do next, you have leverage, real leverage, to protect your job, your income, and your future. That's what Legal Armor gives you, a retaliation-proof complaint, drafted to legal standards, designed to protect you, and backed by me. This isn't guesswork, it's built on proven legal principles. And it comes from my experience representing employees just like you, people who faced discrimination, sexual harassment, retaliation, and worse. But you don't just get a complaint, you get a strategy, you get coaching, you get ongoing support so you're never left wondering, what do I do now? So here's what you get with our complete protection package. First, I review every document related to your situation, so I know the full picture and how to build the strongest possible complaint. Then, I personally draft the first version of your complaint. This isn't some template, it's custom built for you. Next, we meet one-on-one over Zoom. I finalize your complaint and I walk you through what to expect after you submit it. Then, before you hit send, we meet again for a thorough prep session so you're ready for any interview your employer tries to put you through. After your complaint is sent, you get 3 full months of unlimited support. Calls, Zooms, emails, whenever something comes up, I'm there. During those same 3 months, I help you draft and revise every follow-up email to your employer. Whether it's documenting retaliation, memorializing what was said in a meeting, or pushing back against unfair performance review, you won't be alone. I also provide ongoing legal assessment of your situation, so if legal claims pop up, you'll know how to use them for leverage in a negotiation or lawsuit. And finally, I guarantee a 24-hour response time. You'll never be left guessing or waiting in the dark. Now, maybe you're thinking, what if I go through all this and my employer still fires me? That is exactly why Legal Armor comes with a guarantee. If your employer fires you within 3 months of submitting your protected complaint, I will represent you in a lawsuit on a contingency fee basis. That means you pay nothing up front. I only get paid if we win money for you in a settlement or court award. So no matter what happens, whether your employer backs down or retaliates, you'll have a legal team in your corner. Here's one more thing you need to know. I only take 5 Legal Armor clients per month. That's it. Why? Because this process is hands-on. I work closely with every single client to build the strongest possible complaint. And once those 5 spots are filled, you'll have to wait until next month. Every day you wait, your rights and your protections are at risk. Your employer gains more power and you lose leverage. With Legal Armor, you get a retaliation-proof complaint, a strategy for what happens next, and guaranteed legal backup if your employer retaliates. Click the button below to book your free consultation to see if you qualify for Legal Armor. Remember, I only take 5 Legal Armor clients per month. Your employer already has lawyers protecting them. Now it's your turn to protect yourself. Book your free consultation today to see if you qualify for Legal Armor.